2020 Tesla 3 Long Range All-Wheel Drive. Hi, this is Carter. I'm the owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me tell you about this beautiful car. It's a local trade. Carfax says it's Florida. The people who owned it have a residence here and they have a residence in Florida. They kept this car here. They kept their other Tesla in Florida. They traded it for another Tesla. So that's number 3 for these folks. It is the blue, which is an upgrade. It is the long range. The 2020, 21, 22 long ranges have the longest range out of the Model 3s. The 23s, they actually shorten their range on them. 18-inch wheels for the better mileage. Does have new tires on it. They're not an EV tire. Not a real big deal. Might hurt your range 1-2%. Not a big deal. Clear Carfax, local trade, independently inspected. We didn't do an oil change on it because, well, there's no oil. Yeah, the car's like new, inside and out, smells like new. No signs of pets, no signs of smoking. No signs of any kind of damage. It does have the FSD compatibility, the full self-drive compatibility. It does not have it, but you can subscribe for $200 a month, or you can spend 15 grand and buy it. I know what I would do. The black heated seats up front. If you know anything about Teslas, you know they're all kind of standard year by year. Yeah, so there's really no talking about options on these cars. This is a full glass roof. Got your side cameras. We've sold a bunch of Teslas now. I mean, here we are in the heart of the oil patch, Dickinson, North Dakota, of all places, and we're selling Teslas. You know why? Because we love cars, and these are really cool cars. They're fast, they're fun to drive, full of cool tech. So, yeah. We got great financing available. Get pre-approved at AutoramaAuto.com, and we can have you in and out of here under 20 minutes. And the financing, again, fast. We're not going to sell you all the crap. It does come with the balance of factory warranty. The engine or the motors are covered, I believe, for 8 years or 100,000 miles from new. Also, we don't have fake pricing. That's right, we have real pricing. The price that we advertise is for, you can drive it away for that. We don't have hidden fees. We don't have the junk fees. We do have a $145 dock fee. Otherwise, the price you see is the price you pay. Plain and simple. No wondering what kind of hidden garbage they have. We don't have any. So let's recap. 2020 Model 3 long range all-wheel drive, 19,000 miles, one local owner, clear Carfax, independently inspected, factory warranty, no hidden fees, fast paperwork. That is the Autorama advantage.